third law together. And our third law states that if you have a logarithm number m to a base b, and your m here is raised to a number called k, your expression is going to look like this. It's going to be k log m base b, and that's that for that. I'll give an example to explain this law, and here are some examples. If you have a logarithm of 3 to base 2, and your 3 here is raised to the power of 5, and this will give us what? And for b, if you have a logarithm of 7 to base 4, and your 4 here is raised to the power of 6, this will give us what? Alright, for the first question, which is a, the logarithm of 3 to base 2, where your 3 is raised to the power of 5, can be expressed as 5 multiplied by log 3 to base 2, which will finally give us 5 log 3 to base 2. Please take note of your 5 that dropped down. So when your number is raised to the power, it will always drop down to multiply your logarithm function. Okay, so for b, if you have for the next example, which is the logarithm of base 4 to the number 7, where 7 is raised to the number 6, this can also be expressed as 6 multiplied by the log function 7 base 4, and this is our final answer according to the law, or according to the power law. Okay, for our fourth law, which is the zero law, it states that if you have a logarithm function where your number is 1 and your base is b, that's say any number, your final answer is always going to give you 0. So we have two questions here. If you have a logarithm of 2 to the number 1, this will give us what? And b, if you have a logarithm of 1,000 base and your number is 1, this will give us what? Okay, so I write my result here, and the logarithm of 1 to base 2 is going to give us 0 according to our zero law, and b, the logarithm of 1 to base 1000 is also going to give us 0. So as long as your number is 1, your final answer is always going to give you 0. 1, 0. Okay, so that's all for the first 4 laws. In the next video, I'll be stating the next 3 laws to make it 7 laws of logarithm. Alright, further explanation. The laws should be used precisely as they are stated. Do not be tempted to make up variations of your own. So it's as simple as that. Just leave the laws the way they are. Follow the methods and steps and you'll be fine. Okay, here's a hint for the class. In logarithm, knowing all its laws can help you comfortably solve any question. So I advise you and encourage you to go through these laws over and over again and master it so that you can solve any question anywhere, WAEC, JAM, and even your normal school exams. Here are the summary for the class. In today's class, I introduced you to the first 4 laws of logarithm. In today's class, I introduced you to the first 4 laws of logarithm. I gave you examples for each, and finally, I just gave you a hint. Thanks for watching this video.